Hello, this is Tash Tyres. I've got a BMW X5 here on a 2019. I'm just going to show you how to put it up, how to put it in a jacking mode. Basically, there's a secret feature about this one. We'll show you how it's done. Now, to do it, it's quite a simple procedure. All you got to do is press the rocker switch, that one right there. Press the rocker switch forward or pull it backwards for approximately 7 seconds. After the rocker switch is released, the LED indicator on the rocker switch will go out. Watch it. After 7 seconds, that's now switched off. We haven't got nothing come up. Now to switch, in this position, what you could do is switch the car off, jack the car up. The jacking points are all right there, as you can see. Once you jack the car up, put stands underneath it and take the wheels off. Now to put it back up, to put it back in, to activate the system again, press the rocker switch forward or pull it backward for approximately 7 seconds. After the rocker switch is released, the LED indicator will reactivate, as you can see right there. That's all you got to do. This is the hidden feature, which, I mean, we went through the settings, couldn't find it, so that's what you need to do. If you've got an X5 coming for tyres or whatever, that's all you need to do. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.